Hello guys, welcome back to CAD Make. In this tutorial we are going to draw a hexagonal Allen key in Solidworks. We'll use some of essential commands like Smart Dimension command, Fillet command, Polygon command and Swept Boss command to give our sketch a professional look. I hope you'll enjoy it. Now if you're ready, let's get started. Go to the File menu. Click New. Click on Part and click OK. Now go to the sketch. Click on Sketch. Choose the top plane. Now take the Line command and draw a vertical and a horizontal line from the origin like this. Click OK. Take the Fillet command. Give the fillet radius 4 mm. Specify the center point and draw it. Click OK. Now take the Smart Dimension command and give the length of this line as 48 mm. Click OK. Length of this line is 8 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Make it normal and click on Finish Sketch. Now select the front plane. Click on Sketch. Take the Polygon command and draw a hexagon here in the origin like this. Click OK. Take Smart Dimension command and give the circle diameter as 2.8 mm. Click OK. Again click OK to finish the command. Make it normal. Now go to the features and click on Swept Boss command. Object is already selected. Just select this line as path. Here we have created an Allen key and it looks perfect. Now go to the visual styles and click on Real View. We have changed the visualization of our model. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share and comments. Thanks for watching.